Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to show you how to log in to DCU Mortgage account. DCU, also known as Digital Federal Credit Union, offers a mortgage portal for its members to manage their account. So in order to go ahead and log into your account, the first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Here I've opened up my Google Chrome web browser. In the URL box, type in dcu.org and search. Once you do that, you will end up in the official website for DCU Personal and Business Banking account. Once you're in the main home page, you will now need to enter your credential for your online banking account to get access to your mortgage. Enter your username in the first text box appearing at the top of the screen and head over to the next field and type in your password. Now click on Login and make sure to log into your DCU online banking account. After you are signed in, head over to the mortgage option and then you will be able to access your mortgage for DCU. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.